Evaluate the extent to which sectionalism was the primary cause of political conflict in the United States during the period from 1820 to 1860. Between 1820 and 1860, sectionalism became the primary cause of political conflict in the United States by dividing the nation over slavery, states' rights, and the balance of power between the North and South. The historical context of the early 19th century included rapid westward expansion following the Louisiana Purchase and growing industrialization in the North, while the South remained dependent on enslaved labor and cotton production. The historical significance of the Missouri Compromise was that it temporarily preserved the balance between free and slave states, but it also revealed deep sectional tensions that would continue to grow. As the nation expanded after the Mexican-American War, historical changes intensified disagreements over whether slavery would spread into new territories, while historical continuities remained in the long-standing debate over federal versus state authority. Sectionalism was the primary cause of political conflict between 1820 and 1860 because it changed and intensified disputes over the expansion of slavery and increased disagreements over political power and states' rights. A, the conflict over slavery in the Western Territories, and B, the collapse of national political compromises. Sectional disputes over the expansion of slavery into Western territories became the greatest source of political conflict before the Civil War. The Kansas-Nebraska Act demonstrates historical causation because it repealed the Missouri Compromise by allowing popular sovereignty, creating violent conflict in Bleeding Kansas and illustrating competing perspectives between pro-slavery and anti-slavery settlers. Western expansion had a political effect because it forced Americans to decide whether slavery would spread, political conflict increased dramatically, and these disputes destroyed national unity by making compromise increasingly impossible. Sectionalism also weakened the national political system by increasing disagreements over federal authority and states' rights. The Compromise of 1850, Dred Scott versus Sanford, and the election of 1860 demonstrate historical causation because each event deepened sectional distrust while reflecting competing perspectives over constitutional authority, slavery, and the future of the Union. Political leaders repeatedly failed to resolve sectional disagreements. This had a social effect because the conflict escalated, citizens increasingly identified with their section rather than the nation, and this made secession and civil war more likely.